Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sukara. Today we are going to discuss a case law relating to the recording of telephonic conversation of wife by husband and wishing to produce the same in the court as evidence, which is not allowed, which cannot be allowed under section 122 of the Indian Evidence Act. This was clearly stated by the Punjab and Haryana High Court single judge. While disposing the case of Neha versus Vibhav Garg 2021 in crime number 1616 Padharu Padharu by 2021 of this particular Batinda PS. Batinda, let us take it as Batinda Family Court on 12th November 2021. Single judge. Her name is Lisa Gill. Lisa Gill. She has clearly held that the husband cannot record the wife's conversation without her knowledge, sans her knowledge. That means without her knowledge he cannot. And he cannot produce the same as evidence. So, if it is so, it is an infringement of right to privacy under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. This is important. Right to privacy. It is also one of the fundamental rights. It is a human right, that too particularly to the wife. Here the conflict between section 122 has also come into existence. Right. Let us better know the facts of the case. So this Vibhav Garg was married to our Neha on 22/2009. They were married in the year 2009. Of course, they led a happy married life for 2 years or so. As a result of their wedlock, a daughter was born on 11/5/2011. Subsequently, the differences cropped up among them. Both of them were living separately. Ultimately, in 2017, this Vibhav Garg, he filed a petition under section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act for a decree of divorce against his wife. Right. So it was filed before the family court. Of course, the family court tried to resolve the issue, but after discussing with both the parties, they came to know that it is an irretrievable marriage. But still, he says, our gentleman, this Vibhav Garg says, she has told something very nasty against him to her parents, and therefore the CD is available with him. Right? The trial was going on. At the time of cross-examination, this man filed a petition. Vibhav Garg filed a petition before the family court, stating that he filed an affidavit stating that he wanted to produce a CD containing the telephonic talk his wife with some others, and it was recorded. And it was recorded, please remember, without her knowledge. Then she raised objection that it cannot be produced as evidence basing on section 122 of the Indian Evidence Act. You may be knowing this is privileged communication. Section 122 of the Indian Evidence Act deals with communication during marriage. So, no person shall be compelled to disclose the communication between the married people. Just like our 126, the advocate should not be asked to disclose the information he received from the client. Otherwise, clients will not inform you as to what happened. So, it is a privileged communication. Basing on this, the wife, Neha, argued that the CD cannot be taken as evidence. But however, the family court did not allow the same, and they said that if there is evidence in the CD, it has to be taken into account because she has deserted him, she has harassed him, she has shown cruelty towards him. These are the allegations. So family court did not actually support the version of this Neha, and they wanted to record the evidence. That is, they wanted to peruse the CD, or they wanted to hear the material in the CD. Now ultimately the matter has come to the High Court on an appeal filed by Neha. That's why this case is called as Neha versus Vibhav Garg. Right. Vibhav Garg. Right. Now, The Honorable High Court has clearly stated that the CD cannot be permitted. CD, compact disc, cannot be permitted in evidence, emphasizing that the recording of telephonic conversation of wife with somebody without her knowledge, that is SNS, sans her knowledge, amounts to infringement of her right to privacy. So previously there are certain cases also. The reliance was placed on Srimati Rayala N. Bhuvaneshwari, Rayala M. Bhuvaneshwari versus Napa Paninder Rao, Paninder Royal, 2007, in which the AP High Court has specifically stated that the act of recording conversation without knowledge or permission of the wife is illegal and it amounts to violation of the human rights. So right to privacy is also a human right, And even if the CD is true, even if she has spoken to her parents, then it cannot be evidence, it cannot be admissible evidence. It is hit by Section 122 of the Indian Evidence Act. So therefore, the appeal filed by the wife is allowed and the evidence of CD is dismissed. Very good case. Please remember why I have made these videos, to make you aware about Section 122 and also side by side 126, that is the communication between lawyer and so-called client. They are privileged communications. You need not disclose it to anybody and you should not disclose it. Moreover, in the eye of law, particularly in the IPC, wife includes husband, husband includes wife, man includes woman. So like that, one cannot produce the same evidence, right? So this is the crux of the problem. If you find time, please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.